Oh my god, guys, I'm so obsessed. Look at how nice this color is. So I just recorded this intro and I wasn't filming. Quick disclaimer, I just got out of bed. I'm about to take a shower, but I don't want to put on any makeup or like do my hair or anything because we're just gonna put purple shampoo in the hair and shower. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. So today we're gonna be putting purple shampoo on my hair while it's dry and letting it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes and then rinsing it out and seeing the results. I've been watching all these YouTube videos and stuff and people have been having amazing results and I'm really scared that I'm gonna turn my hair purple. So I'm using the Pravana Perfect Blonde shampoo. I got this I think from Ulta. This is a purple toning shampoo and yeah, I guess we'll just see how it goes. So as you can see here, my hair is turning like, it has like a lot of yellow tones in it. Also guys, I know I need to get my hair done really badly. I'm trying to give myself a lot more time between hair treatments because my hair is like breaking off. Guys, look at how short this is. This is breaking off right here. You can see like, look at all this breakage. If you guys have any recommendations or tips or tricks or literally anything to help stop this, please let me know because I'm like really worried about it. So anyway, I just have on like an old college t-shirt. I also have my chair covered in towels because it's white and I don't want to stain it. So here is a before of my hair. Here is the before. Yeah, so let's get started. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it up or not. Got it on the floor already. I should be doing this in the bathroom, but my bathroom lights are like super orange. Oh my god, it's like dripping down the side. Oh, too late to turn back now. I should not be doing this in my room. This is using a lot more product than I thought it would. Okay guys, so we have the purple shampoo in and I realized like mine looks so much darker than the other people on YouTube, so I'm like a little bit worried. I don't know, I have my timer set for 10 minutes plus the amount of time that it took me to put it on, so I would say this is gonna be a total of 15 minutes and I'm a little worried. Sharkbait also just has some, oh, don't get purple shampoo on you! No! Oh my god, don't get purple shampoo on you and then go run and jump on things. That was my fault. Anyway, look at Sharkbait's fresh lion cut. Oh my god. Sharkbait has like really long hair and then he starts to overgroom himself when his hair gets too long, so I get him shaved like once a year and you can tell. So he doesn't like it at first, but he actually starts to like it. He like stops constantly grooming himself and like having hairballs and stuff, so I think it's highly beneficial. Hey Siri, how much time is left?
It's running at 6 minutes and 24 seconds.
I'm so impatient, I'm so scared. I went over to the sink and I took just a little tiny strand and just like ran it underneath the water so I could see if my hair underneath it was actually like purple or gray, and it was coming out really gray, so I'm like really excited. When I ran it under, it looked like it was like the perfect gray, so I'm scared it's gonna start turning purple if I leave it on anymore. So I've left it on for 8 minutes and 45 seconds. By the time I get in the shower and everything, it should be a full 10 minutes. So I'll check back in as soon as I'm done.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, here is the finished product. I think like you could see a little bit of purple in the highlights, but oh my god, it is so much better than it was before. I freaking love it. I didn't get everything, so like there's a few streaks underneath. That's probably because I was doing it in the camera for most of the time, and then when I went over to the mirror, I think that part of my hair already died and this just didn't get like enough exposure. So just make sure that when you are doing this, maybe section off your hair and put the purple shampoo in that way. Also expect to use a lot more purple shampoo than you would think. So like if my hair's all wet and I put purple shampoo on in the shower, the water and stuff in my hair allows me to use a lot less, but it also dilutes that purple shampoo, which is why we are putting this purple shampoo on when our hair is dry. So I'll do a quick spin so you can see it. I blow dried my hair. Like I did a rough blow dry. I didn't fully blow dry it, so it might not be super straight. It also might look pretty dead. But this is the before and after. And it definitely made a big difference. It's not like fresh out of the hairdresser, obviously, but I think that it looks a lot better than it did before, and I'm really pleasantly surprised. Then when I was in the shower, I just washed it off. I didn't re-shampoo my hair with anything, and then I put in a deep conditioner and I let that on while I like washed my body and stuff. And then when I got out, I just styled it as usual. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think. Was it worth it? Would you do it? Do you have blonde hair? What products do you use to maintain your blonde hair? And guys, again, if you know anything about this breakage, please help me. Follow me on Instagram, my tag is @HelloKristenTV, and also on TikTok @HelloKristen. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.